take this off, right? Oh. I gotta go get my battery and see what it is doing. So this is how it works anyway. Oh crap. Well, I don't know. After looking at it closer, everything seems to be working, just need to be cleaned up. This is very nice. And there, all connections actually look really good. This is no problem. It needs to come this way, and I can't move it. I'm gonna try to move it with my pliers right now. I got it pushed over. Let's see if I can get it, ouch. Hold on, I gotta use my other hand. I had to take that and squeeze the clip so that it was tighter, and then it snapped on that thing. Because when I put it on the first time, it was flying right off of there again.